Yo guys, Max Plays here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a channel logo. So let's just go to my account set. So as you can see, that's my channel logo. I made that on Photoshop, it's down here, but I think you can probably do this on, let's see, Pixlr, I think it's called, online photo editor. If you just follow the sort of steps I'm doing on here, so you just click launch web app for editor, and then you'll be able to do mostly the same things as I'm doing. So I'll just close Chrome, then I'll just open my channel logo. Where is it? Here we go. So if I open that, you can see there's my logo. There's mine. And full screen, so let's just open Photoshop. So you want to go create new. It doesn't really matter what size you do. I think it's just do about, it has to be a square, so I'll just do 17.5 centimeters by 17.5. Then let's see. Then just doesn't matter what colour that is. So now we can create it. So we've got a square here. So first, what we want to do, so you can search up whatever you want. Personally, I'm just going to look for a space background. So just go on to images and find any one that you can. I saw quite a good one here. That's quite a good one. So I'll use that. Just copy the image and paste it onto here. Just going to make it a bit smaller. So just going to crop it a bit. It's not big enough. Yeah, so tip and where's the crop? Yeah, there we go. So yeah, like that. And I'm done with my crop. So I've got the square here. That I think I can probably just delete now. So that's now the background. Call that background layer. So now there's this font that I use. So you're going to want to make a text got this program that's called, app is called WinZip. That's what I use to zip files, although you can use your so I've got it downloaded and then just open it. Double click on it, yeah. Just move that to see what's happening with it. Not that one. You can put whichever